Then let's have some examples related to one and onto function. Here we have to check whether these two functions given here are one or onto or not. And if both are one and onto, then you can easily say that both the functions are bijective one. Let me have to check this one by one. So come to the first one. Let the function given as and such that n tends to n, means a function such that from n to n. It means domain of this function is set of natural number and codomain of this function is also set of natural number defined by fx is equal to 2x. So let we have to check for first of all for 1 1 or 1 1. Since you better know that, let we have x1 x2 belongs to n, that is domain of the function. So according to the definition of one function, if we have taken any two element of the domain, then these the images of these two elements must be different. And if this condition happen, then you can easily say that this function is 1 1. So let we have fx1 is equal to fx2. Let this is given to us. It means image of x1 is fx1 and image of fx2 is x2 is fx2. If this happens, then this must implies that x1 must be equal to x2. It means same image have same element have same image. So this implies from the given function, in place of x1 you can put here f x1 is equal to 2x1 as well as fx2 is equal to 2x2, and we have already given that from this fx1 is equal to fx2. It means putting this is equal to this, we get here, this implies 2x1 is equal to 2x2, 2 is cancelled by 2, this implies x1 is equal to x2. It means our condition fulfilled here, as we have given that image of x1 is fx1 is equal to image of x2, that is fx2, and this implies that those elements are nothing but same. It means this indicate, these two indicate that same image have same element. It means different element have different images. So that's why this given function is one function. Now come for onto function. For onto, you can easily see here for onto function, whether this function is onto or not, you can easily see that domain of this function is set of natural number. If you take any, let 1 belongs to n, that is codomain of the function, codomain of f. It means this 1 is the element of codomain, and we have to check whether this is an image of any element of domain or not. You can easily see that if you will put here 1, so let you can put here y is equal to fx, and this implies that y is equal to 2 into, and in place of f1 is equal to, you can easily see here f1 is equal to 2 into 1, that is equal to 2. It means if you are putting here element 1, then the image of that is 2. But if the element is 1, this is equal to nothing, this is nothing but this is y1. So in not any condition, the 1 is the element of domain, this will not be a image of any element of domain in this set, because you know that image of every element is an even number. So since 1 is an odd number, so odd number cannot be image of any element of domain. It means you can say that since y is belonging to codomain, it means this implies that 1 don't have any pre-image in n, that is domain. It means there are many elements in codomain which don't have any pre-images in domain. That's why this function is not onto function. So you can see easily that this function is one function, but this function is not surjective one or onto function, and combinedly you can say that this function is not bijective, or you can say one and onto function. Similarly here, second example is here. As you know that image of, this is a greatest integer function. You better know in 11th class you have already studied this. If you put here f1 upon 2, it means you will get here f1 upon 2 and the value of this is always 0. Since this is 0.5 and greatest integer of 0.5, you already know that is 0. Similarly, f1 upon 3 is equal to f greatest integer function 1 upon 3 and the value of this is again 0. So easily you can see that let this is x1 and this is x2 and these are the element of domain, that is real number, because 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3 they are real number, and these are the element of domain, and these element two domain elements have same image 0, and according to the definition of one function, since two different elements should not be have same images, that's why this function is also, this greatest integer function defined by this is not one function. Similarly here you can say that codomain of the function is set of real number, but if you will take here codomain of the given function here is set of real number, but range of the function is always an integer, because you better know that the value of greatest integer function turned into an integer. So easily from this figure, this question, you can easily understand that codomain of the function is set of real number already given to you, and range of this function is always turned to an integer. And since these two are not equal, codomain of the function is not equal to range of the function, given function, that's why this is not onto function. So can easily say that this function is not onto function, and combinedly you can say that the second function is one function, not one function, not onto function. Thereafter you can easily say that this is not a bijective function or not one and onto function, since codomain is not equal to range of the function. That's it. Thank you.